Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get InShot spooky font for your editing. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new project. I'm just going to add blank clip to my video editing. Okay, and here I'm going to add text to my video. I'm going to click on text and text, and I'm just going to type in Halloween. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can get the spooky font for this text. You can go to the font menu and you can go to the font store. Okay, and here make sure you select all, and then you can scroll down until you find the spooky font. Okay, those are the spooky fonts you can use for your Halloween video editing. You can click on unlock. We can click on free unlock. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. If we want to free unlock, we need to wait. Okay, and we can click on use, and as you can see that the spooky font has been applied to my text, and I'm going to go to the font store again, and I'm going to unlock another font. I'm gonna go with wait guys, I'm gonna go with this Demon Slave. Click on free unlock and wait for a moment. Okay, it's still loading, and I'm going to click on use, and the spooky font, as you can see, have been displayed on the font section. If you want to get more spooky fonts, you just need to go to the font store, and then you just need to unlock, and the font will be added to the font list on your InShot. I'm gonna go with this one as well. I'm gonna select the Creepy Notes font. Okay, click on use. Okay, and these are the spooky fonts I have downloaded. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get InShot spooky font for our editing. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.